Hello and welcome back to my another unboxing video. In this video I'm going to share with you HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 283fdw printer quick unboxing and review. So let's take a look. This is my MFP 283fdw printer box, how exactly it looks like. Now I'm going to unboxing this box and let me see what inside this box we are getting, or how exactly this printer looks like. After unboxing what we're getting inside, we're getting here our HP M283fdw printer, and then inside this box we're getting a power cable, and we're getting a USB cable to connect from our printer to our laptop or desktop, and then also we're getting a telephone cable, and also we're getting some user guides. Let me jump over how exactly or what we're getting inside this printer, or what etc features, or how exactly this printer looks like. This is our printer front side view, where we're getting a power button. This is which is LED light indicator, and then we're getting here HP logo, and then we're getting here a quick paper tray. So if you want to quick print any page, you can easily insert here. You can easily use quick print. Also there is a tray number 2 here. You can easily add your preferred paper, and also you can resize it from here however you want. You can easily resize the tray, and you can insert back. And here also we're getting a 3.5 inches touch screen display, and also we're getting in front side a USB connector, where we can directly connect any media the USB device, where we can directly print out the picture or document have inside the USB pen drive. So it's really very interesting thing. And this is our printer upper side view, where we're getting, you can easily insert our paper to make copy or sending fax or scan. We can use this feeder to automatically scanning a couple of pages. Maybe you can add up to 30 pages, and also we can add scan from here with our any document. If you want to make copy or scan, you can also use these things. And this is what exactly the front top view this HP FP printer. And this is the back side view. Our printer here we're getting to USB connector slot, and also you can use this printer Ethernet connection slot. You can see here. Also you can use this printer for fax. You can easily use this machine this slot for using fax. Also if sometime your paper like jam etc, you can easily remove this backside cover to see remove the jam paper or etc things. You might be looking for where the toner or cartridge for this printer. This is here. You just simply remove like this, and then you will see the toner tray will come out. You can easily pull out like this, and then we will see all the toner list will appear. Here you can see there is a total 4 color. One is black, which is K207A, and there is blue, pink and yellow color. So definitely it might be helpful for you if you are looking, or if you want to exactly know what's the toner category or model number. This you can see here right over. A multifunctional and efficient laser printer, the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 283fdw A4 color multifunctional laser printer is designed to make printing, scanning, copying and faxing fast and simple, combining those 4 functions into one excellent product. Make jobs hassle-free. A perfect choice for both offices and domestic use. This printer allows you to focus your time where it is most effective, making printing jobs hassle-free. Breeze through vigor tasks using the 250 sheet input tray, which is taking advantage for the automatic double-side printing with the fast pace printing in an easy quick as 10.5 seconds. Print with or without network from any device. Your printer is designed for effortless and wide use, whether you are wanting to printing from a laptop, a smartphone, tablet, or even straight from a USB drive. Being both Windows and Mac comfortable, wireless printing has never been more simple. You can even print without a wireless network. Just make sure you are connected via the Wi-Fi direct interface. High quality printing. The LaserJet Pro consists of specified technology chosen for the highest quality printing with up to 600 into 600 dpi print, giving you high resolution images that will never disappoint. Print quickly and effortless in both black and white or color, both at speed up to 21 ppm, meaning no time is wasted. I buy this from local market. It's cost me 450 USD. Within 450 USD, you're getting a printer allow you to print, scan, copy, and fax. If you're looking at a printer for your personal or professional use, definitely HP M283fdw will be best choice. That's for now, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please like, share, and subscribe.